Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily log out Hotmail in your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, I want you to open your favorite browser, go to the official website, and once you're here on the home page, log into your account, then you will see all of your emails in here. I want you to focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen, right over here. This is going to be your profile icon. Click on it, then it will reveal more options. Now, it can be a bit tricky to locate the sign out or log out button. So it will just be right over here. All right. Click on it and it will automatically log you out of the on the platform. All right. Now, another tip we can do is if you're using another device that is not your own or personal laptop or PC, you can do is clear everything, like clear your cache, clear your browsing history. This will make sure that you have no traces left on that device. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.